Good morning, everybody. Today, I will do revision of adverbs. Okay, that is the revision because offline that I have taken this class. Today, I will do the revision. Good morning, everybody. So, please open at the page number 63 in your grammar book. Whatever, I am just telling you that what is adverb? Some things that add plus verb. You know that. So, some things that are describing the verb, that is called adverb. That is called, who is class 3? No, why you are? Aditi beta, please. Oishi, Onushri, Fatima, Ayush Mundal. Ayush Mundal is every day unmute. Every day. Or in the next time, I am just requesting you, please don't unmute. If I am not telling, because I cannot listen to, that is not my headphone. If you are having any problem, please tell me. So this is adverb class. Please listen to me. Please, it is very important. Add plus verb. Some words that is describing verbs. Always we are putting it sometime before, sometime after verb. Okay. Number one, if I am telling, she sings sweetly. How? Just listen that. How? If I am asking question, Oishi, once you leave again you will join. Then you can see me. So, how? You will ask the question by how. Ask the question by how. How does she sing? So, here sings sweetly. She sings sweetly. So, verb they are describing, that is sweetly. So, please everybody, don't cut me. Okay, if you are removing me, how you will do the class? How you will do the class? I could not understand. You leave means not to me. Oishi, please, if you leave means please don't remove me. And again, Oishi, everybody I am telling that don't unmute your microphone. I can see here and here I have to spend the time like this. Please don't unmute your microphone. So she sings sweetly. So here they are describing the verb sweet, sing. First one, how. So we are asking how. Second one, if I am telling, he lives here. He lives here. Where does he live? Where does he live? So here, where does he lives? Here also that is describing the lives, means where, that is also verb. So here is a adverb, sweetly adverb. Number 3, he went yesterday. He went yesterday. So here, when did he go? When did he go? So, when did he go? That means time. So, that is time. So here time, here place, and here manner. So 3 things you have already learned. So here manner, here place, here time. If I am telling he went 7 p.m., that is also another adverb. So time. So how, where, and when. These 3 types of adverbs you have learned. Okay. 3 types of adverbs you have learned. So here page number 64, we can just do this. The exercise, Manoj is sitting here. That is, I just told, here, he lives here. So that is the place. And number 3, aeroplane is flying above. Where does the aeroplane is flying? That is means that is also place. And after that I told when he went yesterday. That is also when. When did he go? That is the time. So 3 things that is describing we are studying here means 3 things. How, where, when. Adverbs of manner, adverbs of place, adverbs of time. Please remember these things. These things I have done in my offline YouTube class. YouTube means online also. But live classes I did not do. So that's why I have done this revision here. So next, page number 65. Page number 65. Exercise, we can go. Gopal reads well. Gopal reads well. Which one is adverb? You know that. Besides that, again I am telling, Gopal reads well. Number 1, well. Number 2. Umesh writes neatly. Please remember, whatever I am telling, how. They are questioning, they are asking by how. How Umesh writes. How does Umesh write? Writes neatly. So neatly here, number 2, neatly here, adverb. And third one, Milkha Singh ran fast. Yes, neatly, number 2, neatly, number 3, fast. So everything, whatever I am writing, you should do. As Aniruddha Goswami, you have done it. I know that most of the students you have done. So here, those who have done, please revise it. And those who have not done, please listen to me and also do it by underlining it. The baby was sleeping soundly. How does the baby sleep? Soundly. Number 5, the bird sang sweetly. Sweetly. Number 6, the moon shone brightly. Brightly. Number 7, he spoke cleverly. Cleverly. And number 8, the soldiers fought bravely. Bravely. Number 9, Ajoy hit the ball hard. Okay. So hard. Number 10, the servant swept the floor carefully. Number 11, the baby cried loudly. And my friends helped me happily. Here, everything they have also asked the question by how. So this is called adverbs of manner. Next, where? We can ask question by where. Underline the where adverbs in this sentence. The bus stops here. We live there. So here where? Okay. Yes. Syllabus Ayush Mondal I have written in my e-portal. Every day you are asking. Why I could not understand? Every day you are asking. And every day I am answering that. Please look at my e-portal. So the bus stops here. So here number 1 here, that is the place where we can ask it. We live there. Sky is above. Above. The earth is below. Below. Number 5, father is sleeping inside. Inside. They are adverb. Yes, obviously adverb. because I told where and also describing the verb. Number 8, the stranger walked away. The doctor came back. Traveler looked up. Onu is waiting upstairs and I did not find him anywhere. Next, underline when adverbs in this sentence. I met my uncle yesterday. I met my uncle yesterday. So, here, which one? When adverbs? Number 1, page number 66. Page number 66. Number 1, yesterday. Whatever I am telling, please underline it. Listen to me and underline. Second one, we will play the match tomorrow. Tomorrow. Third one, it is very foggy today. Today, so time is there. Sun is rising now. Now, that is also telling time. Number 5, we were busy then. We will have a dance class today. So, today. And number 7, Minu gets up early. Number 8, some students came late. I was sleeping then. The teacher will come soon. So, here, question can come like this. Identify the adverbs. If I am telling the identify the adverbs, the sentence identify the adverbs. Number 1, I went yesterday. So, number A, went. Number 2, I. Number 3, yesterday. So, which one you will write? So, please tell me which one you will write. So, here, Aniruddha, Anushka, we are not writing Daksha. Yes, number 3, yesterday. So, that type of question will come from the adverb. So, we can go to the, I think that one passage is there. It was raining heavily yesterday. So, which one you can do this? Please tell me from the underline the adverb from the following paragraphs. You have done it. Page number 66. Yesterday and heavily. It was raining heavily yesterday. So, heavily also will be there. So, how adverbs? Heavily. And when? It is yesterday. Two adverbs are there. This is how, this is where, and this is when. So, please, next one. My brother Ajoy had a fever and cried loudly with pain. So, loudly. Next, he also tossed in the bed restlessly. So, restlessly, how adverb? Restlessly. Then, next, I could not find Papa anywhere. Anywhere? Where adverb? Then next, he had gone out. Out also. Where adverb? I decided to go to the doctor myself. I walked carefully so that I might not sleep. Carefully. And next, soon I reached the doctor's clinic, but I had to wait there for 15 minutes. So, there, where adverbs? And soon I reached. Soon also, when adverb. So, two adverbs for there. Yes, 15 minutes also will be there. And I had to wait there for 15 minutes. I told the doctor about Ajoy's fever and he gave me some medicine. Ajoy took the medicine. He is right now. So, now also. So all these are adverbs. Next, page number 67, the child answered all the question. This is a revision class. Please tell me whatever you like, whatever you know, please tell me. Anybody answered that? Page number 67 correctly. Ishan can bowl fast. So first one correctly. Second one, anywhere out there. Yes, out. Yes, beta, yes. So, Ishant can bowl fast. The old man walked slowly. Number one correctly. Number two, fast. Number three, slowly. And number four, do not speak dash near the patient loudly. Number four, loudly. Number five, it had been raining, so we walked carefully and we knocked the door gently. My sister can dance well. So I think you have known. Yes, very good. Daksha, Aditi, Diksha, everybody has answered. That is very good. Next, fill in the blanks. Page number 67. That also will come. Fill in the blanks. She left her house in the morning, but soon came back. Very good. Some people are standing outside. Shall I call them? Please wait for me outside. Or please wait me here. Don't go till I come back. Look up. There is a beautiful bird flying in the sky. Please go down and meet the desk. And next page, page number 68, that is also fill in the blanks. It is a bad habit to get up late in the morning. We should go to sleep early. Then, yesterday we were living in the Mussoorie. Rohan did not go to school then. Or yesterday, you can just alter it. We are going to play a game. Now we are going to play a game. So, very good. Everybody, you have done also YouTube class. So, revision class also you have done. Okay, beta. If you are having any problem, write to me, to my e-portal. Let me see who are in your class. Abhimanyu, Aditi, Oishi, Aniruddha, Angshika, Anushka, Anusri, Anushka Goswami, Arindam Bhakot, Arindam Ghosh, Ayush Mondal, Vidyashree Makot, Daksha, Diksha, Fatima, Afrin Tamanna. Okay, beta, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.